In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide members in a Telegram group quickly and easily on Telegram desktop. This is a simple privacy setting that can help keep your group membership more private, especially if you want only existing members to see who's inside the group. Before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your PC. Once the app loads, go to the group where you want to change the privacy settings and click on it to open the chat. After the group chat opens, look at the top of the screen and click on the group name or header. This will open the group information panel where you can access all the settings for that group. From there, click on Manage. This is where Telegram lets you edit important group options, including the group type, permissions, and visibility settings. Next, select group type. You'll see that the group is currently set to public. To hide the members and make the group more private, change it from public to private. This is the key step because private groups have more restricted visibility than public groups. Once you've switched it to private, make sure to save your changes. After that, your group privacy setting will be updated. Now here's the important part. Once the group is private, only existing members can see who is in the group. That means your member list is no longer exposed the same way it would be in a public group, which helps improve privacy for your community. If you are trying to reduce unwanted attention or keep your group more secure, this is the setting you want to use. And that's it. You've now learned how to hide members in a Telegram group using Telegram Desktop. If this tutorial helped you out, please give this video a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and leave a comment if you want to see more Telegram tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.